Assalamu alaikum. Today we will read chapter number 9, a classroom conversation. Please open page number 58 on your English books. I'll start reading. Look at your books. Teacher, children, good morning. I hear some noise from the corner. Don't make so much noise. Children, sorry madam. A boy comes late. Boy, ma'am, today traffic was too much blocked. That is why I have came late. Teacher, try to be on time. Don't come late. The principal enters the class with a tall man. Teacher, two men. Good morning, doctor. How are you? Then he speaks to class. Let me introduce Dr. Irfan to you. He has come to talk to you on personal cleanliness. Just sit down and be quiet. Close your books and notebooks. Listen to him carefully. Doctor, those who know me put up their hands. 1, 2, 12 hands are up. Doctor, oh, that is nice. Do you keep your hands clean? As the reading is finished, now we will proceed to the exercises. Would you like to answer a few questions? As you have read it, we have read the lesson. Would you like to answer a few questions? Anyone? Raise your hands. Mustafa, please come here. Answer the first question. How many students already knew the doctor?
There are 12 students. There are 12 students. There are 12 students only.
Thank you. Anyone next would like to answer the second question? Who introduced the doctor to the teacher? Yaya, come here. Who introduced the doctor to the teacher? Teacher
introduced the doctor to the student.
Thank you. This is all done for English A. We will proceed to English B, grammar. What do you know about noun or what do you know about conjunctions? Anyone? Jawad, please come on stage.
Connection of a word that are used to join and a sentence.
Join a sentence. Conjunctions are used to join a sentence. Very nice. Would you like to give few examples of conjunction?
Is party on Monday or Friday.
So which one is the conjunction?
Or
Good. Please have a seat. Anyone else with the example of conjunction? Any word would you like to tell me? We use for conjunctions. What is noun? What is noun?
Noun is the name.
Come. Okay. What is noun?
Noun is the name of person, place or thing.
Good. Any example of noun?
Ali, chair.
Good. Good. Thank you. Thank you.